First of all, establish the portal to the knee joint. Then, explore and probe the defect area under arthroscopy. Clean the injured cartilage with a shaver. And then clean the unstable cartilage at the edge of the injured area with a scraper. Use the microfracture device to perform the microfracture. Remove the arthroscope, expose the site of injury by a small incision. Based on the defect size and location, create an invasive incision of approximately 3 cm near the defect. Then, clean the injured cartilage with a scraper to stabilize the edge. Select and trim the decalcified scaffolds under direct vision. Place the scaffolds into the joint. Fix the decalcified bone scaffolds in the defects area with a self-developed honeycomb positioning guide. Through the channel on the surface, use a drill bit to drill through the cancellous and the cortical bone, creating a bone tunnel. Implant the cartilage nails. Trim the surface with a planer to ensure it is flush with the defect area. Check the stability, then complete the surgery.